Hey everyone, today in this episode, I will show you how to choose the right e-commerce platform. Weebly, Shift4Shop, and Volusion. So, we are going to dive into some of the most popular e-commerce platforms out there. Whether you are just starting out or looking to switch things up, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have Weebly. It is a straightforward website builder owned by Square, which means seamless integration with Square's POS system. This allows you to sell both in person and online effortlessly. Weebly boasts an intuitive drag and drop builder, making it accessible even to first-time store builders. Plus, it comes with fantastic features like customizable email templates, abandoned cart recovery, gift cards, and robust product search capabilities. And the best part, it is budget-friendly. You can start for free and upgrade for a reasonable price to eliminate ads or use your custom domain. However, it is worth noting that Weebly does have limitations in terms of customization and integrations with other tools. Advanced features like multilingual support or SEO options may also be lacking. But if you are already using Square for payments, setting up on Weebly could be a breeze. Next, we have Shift4Shop. While it might not be as well known, it is a cost-effective platform for creating online stores. It is mobile-friendly, optimized for search engines, and syncs seamlessly with major shopping channels like Amazon and Facebook. Additionally, it offers third-party tools and apps to enhance your store. On the downside, customization options are somewhat limited, and the page builder may not be as intuitive as some other platforms. Users have reported challenges with customer service and technical support, as well as weaker analytics and reporting capabilities. Now, let's talk about Volusion. Established in 1999, it is one of the oldest e-commerce platforms around. Volusion offers beautiful, responsive themes, a drag-and-drop page builder, excellent inventory management, built-in email marketing, and a wide range of app integrations. However, it is important to note that while you can sell unlimited physical products, you cannot sell digital downloads or create a blog. There may also be some limitations in terms of design options and available templates. Additionally, be cautious about potential additional fees for exceeding sales limits depending on your plan. So, there you have it, a breakdown of some of the most popular e-commerce platforms on the market. Remember, the best choice for you depends on your unique business needs and values. Take into account your future requirements, give precedence to effective customer support, and be cautious about the comprehensive expenses, which should encompass any required integrations. Above all, don't overlook the importance of the testing phase. Make sure to experiment with several free trials to confirm that the platform aligns well with your needs and preferences. As for my suggestions, here they are. Shopify stands out as a versatile choice suitable for a wide range of applications. Wix shines when it comes to websites that prioritize content and incorporate e-commerce elements. BigCommerce is tailor-made for large-scale enterprises. Magento caters to tech-savvy companies with its robust features. WooCommerce seamlessly integrates with WordPress websites, making it a perfect match for WordPress users. PrestaShop is the go-to option for founders well-versed in technical aspects. Squarespace combines striking design with functional features. Lastly, Big Cartel is a budget-friendly option well-suited for creative individuals. As promised, that concludes our quick overview of which platform might be the most suitable choice for various scenarios. If you haven't had the chance to explore the other platforms we discussed, be sure to check out our playlist. We appreciate your presence today and hope that this breakdown assists you in making an informed decision for your online store. For those who already own an online store, please feel free to share your favorite features in the comments below. And if you are just embarking on your e-commerce journey, Let us know which platform has piqued your interest the most. Furthermore, if you found this video informative and crave more business insights, we encourage you to consider becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel running and enables us to continue delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear your requests for future episodes. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.